Hello students, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Children, as you know that we have not completed our chapter 4, but today we are going to start our chapter number 2, exercise of chapter number 2, because this chapter is coming in your PT1. So first we will complete exercise of this chapter, then we will start revision of this chapter. Now this is first, track your progress. So first question, choose the odd one out. So we have to find out the odd one which is not mixing with others. So first one, cheese, milk, curd, nuts. So which one is odd one out? Nuts, definitely, because cheese, milk, curd, they are dairy products. Second, starch, glucose, fructose, sucrose. So which one is odd one out? Starch, because glucose, fructose, sucrose are the forms of what? Sugar. Next is butter, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil. Then which one is odd? Butter, because all three are oils. Eggs, cashew nut, almond and rice. So which one is odd one out? Eggs, because all three are plant products but eggs is what? Animal product. Next is meat, eggs, milk and fruit. So all three are definitely here. Fruits is odd one out, because fruit is plant product but meat, egg, milk, these are animal product. Now fill in the blanks. Nuts are rich source of fats. Second, food rich in fat are called energy giving food. We have read in this chapter carbohydrates. Third, blank are chemical substance that provide nourishment for proper growth, that is nutrients which we are getting from food. Next, blank carbohydrates take longer time to digest. Which take longer time? Complex carbohydrates, and simple carbohydrates takes less time to digest. Next, track your progress. Name the following. A mineral that is essential for production of blood cells in bone marrow, that is iron. A mineral that helps in clotting of blood, that is calcium, Calcium. Food components that help in repair and replacement of worn out cells, that is protein. A mineral essential for the formation of hemoglobin, that is again iron. Disease caused due to insufficient vitamins and minerals in the diet, that is anemia. Anemia, I told you that lack of blood, राइट, इट लीड्स एनीमिया, मीन्स हीमोग्लोबिन, जब बॉडी में हीमोग्लोबिन कम हो जाता है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ब्लैंक इज कॉज ड्यू टू द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट, दैट इज मेल न्यूट्रिशन. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी कैन कॉज स्कर्वी डिजीज. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ कैल्शियम कैन कॉज ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू बोन्स. Blank is inadequate intake of food, that is undernutrition, when we are not taking proper food. Deficiency of fluorine can cause dental problem and osteoporosis. Now we'll start our exercise, children. So here first MCQ, multiple choice question. Choose the correct one. Which of the following is a complex carbohydrate? Glucose, lactose, maltose या starch? Yes, it is starch. Second, which of the following is a function of fat in our diet? Protection, insulation, giving energy, all of them. Children, fat in our diet, when it is in our body, it gives insulation, it gives energy and it gives protection also. So here comes, answer will be D, all of them. Third, which one of these vitamin we can say is essential for calcium absorption in our body? That is vitamin D. Which of the following minerals are important for the proper functioning of heart and muscles? That is magnesium. Marasmus is caused due to the deficiency of fat, protein, carbohydrate. D option is both B and C. So what will come here? So answer will be both B and C, that is protein and carbohydrates. Now here comes, children, fill up. First question, extra carbohydrates in our diet get stored in the body as fats. When we are taking carbohydrate excess in amount, so it stores in our body as fats, and fats leads to, excess fat leads to what? Obesity in our body. Second, a diet containing all the different types of nutrients in the correct proportion is a balanced diet. Protein rich food is also known as body building food. Citrus fruit is rich in citric acid. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B in our diet. Next come, match the following. So here we have to match both the columns, which is suitable for which. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency, that is due to that deficiency is called marasmus. In MCQ question we have written this answer, that marasmus disease due to the deficiency of protein and carbohydrates. Scurvy disease because of lack of vitamin C. Thyroid gland, it is related to iodine secretion. Fat, as we have read already, it gives warmth and energy to body. Salad is very important because in our food, because it contains roughage. Now children, the following statements are false. Rewrite the correct statement for each. Now here we have to read the statement and we have to find out what wrong they have written, which makes this sentence wrong. Fruits and vegetables must be thoroughly washed after cutting them. Is it? No. We have read this in this chapter that fruits and vegetables must be washed before cutting them. Second, a large amount of vitamin must be consumed every day to keep fit and healthy. No. Here instead of large we have to write small. A small amount of vitamin must be consumed every day to keep fit and healthy. Third, presence of sugar in food sample can be tested using iodine. No children. We are using iodine to test starch. If we have to test the starch in any food item, we are using iodine, because with starch iodine gives blue black color that shows in this food item starch is present. Deficiency of vitamin E causes scurvy. No, right now we have read that is vitamin C. A typist need more calories than an athlete. Who needs more calories? We know that typist is sitting at the same place and typing only, but an athlete is running in the ground, so athlete need more calories. Children, I already told you, don't get confused in the pronunciation of vitamin and vitamin. They both are correct. One is British accent and one is American accent. Next question comes, who I am. Means we have to read the sentence and we have to find about what they are talking. I am the instant energy provider. From what we are getting instant energy? That is glucose. I must be eaten in moderate quantities. I provide warmth to the body. We have read 2 times this. What is this? It is fat. Growing children must take milk liberally for developing strong bones and teeth. What is important for bones and teeth? Yes, that is calcium. I am red colored substance present in blood. Hemoglobin pigment. I am required in small quantities in diet. I am also called protective food. Which is called protective food? Vitamin and minerals. Children, so these were the exercise. Next comes your questions. So we have already done question in our modules. So read this, do this exercise carefully and learn all the question well. Thank you.